Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, I am going to share View Receipt function works. All this function is related in this tutorial, so you are able to view the receipt at our receipt windows area. View Previous Receipt is our standard function. Insert 6 times numbers 9 in front are able to view first receipt of today trading date. This is View Previous Receipt function button mapping. This is View Next Receipt function button mapping. View Next Receipt is our standard function. Insert 6 times numbers 9 in front are able to view the last receipt up to current sales. Let's get started. Hit the Manager function button. You may try to hit the next receipt, last receipt, first receipt and previous receipt for viewing. Enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others' tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.